Hello friends, today I am going to make lapsi upma. Lapsi is also called as broken wheat. It is a very healthy one. Let us see how to make lapsi upma. For making upma we need 1 cup of this lapsi, broken wheat. We will roast it for 5 minutes till it changes its color. In the meantime, we will boil 1.5 times of water to let it boil. I am getting a nice aroma. Now we will transfer this into boiling water. And we will let it soak it for at least half an hour. In the meantime, we will do other preparations. We'll close the lid and leave it for half an hour. Let it soak the water completely. We need 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 spoon of mustard, rayi, a little bit of jeera, cumin seeds, let the mustard splatter, a handful of cashews, now we'll add 1 medium onion, finely chopped, two green chili which is spicy, finely chopped, and 1 inch of ginger, finely chopped, and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Let us saute this for 1 to 2 minutes. Let the aroma comes out. Now the onions have become transparent. Let's add 1 medium sized carrot, finely chopped. Now we'll add 1 handful of peas, matar, fresh peas. Just a pinch of turmeric, haldi, and half a teaspoon of salt. We'll add little now. Later we'll add further if we need after tasting. Give a good stir. This lapsi is very healthy because it is low in calorie and rich in fiber. So if you are opting for dieting, then this is the best ingredient. You can use in number of ways. Not only vegetable upma, we can also make sheera, pulao, and lemon lapsi, curd lapsi. We can make a lot of variety. I'll show these varieties in the next coming up episodes. Today we'll enjoy this vegetable lapsi. It is very good for diabetic people because they are actually advised not to take calorie rich food. So this is low in calories, so it is very good. because it also contains a variety of vegetables. I didn't include potato here. If you want, you can add that. It also improves the taste of this lapsi. It's also called as dalia, I think. You all know that, isn't it? Yeah. Now the vegetables are cooked. It hardly takes any time because it is finely chopped. Now we'll add the same. The whole water has been soaked completely. If you want, you can also add 2 cups of water if you want. Actually 1.5 is sufficient. If you add 2 cups, it will become little sticky. So I use 1.5 cups of water. Just we'll give it a stir and close it. That's it. No need to cook further. As it was soaked for half an hour in the boiling water, it is already cooked. So I don't think we need any cooking for this. Just we'll mix the vegetables and this lapsi, dalia, and we are done. Yeah, it is done now. We'll switch off the stove. No need for cooking, and just keep the lid closed and let it there for 10 minutes. Later we can use for consumption. Garnishing with some coriander leaves. Now we'll add some finely chopped coriander leaves and remove the seeds, and I'll squeeze one lemon into it. So rich in vitamin C, vegetables, no calorie. So yummy vegetable lapsi or dalia upma is ready. Lapsi vegetable upma is ready to be served. It tastes very good as it is. If you want, you can have it with any pickle, mango, tomato, any pickle. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.